Hey, one of the Mayhem here, and today we are going to be looking at a VORXEON RJ45 crimping tool. So let's get it open. So inside we have a nice black case. Let's get rid of the box. And inside our nice case, here we go. We have got 50 RJ45 push-through adapters. We've got our crimps, our instruction booklet. We have got our little booties for protecting our cables once we make them. We've got a cable cutting tool with a crone, and we've got some spare razor blades to actually repair the device as and when they start to wear out. So straight off the bat, nice case, rubberized handle, zips up nice and well. Does the job, keeps it all together. The actual tool itself, we've got a nice lock button here to keep it all locked and safe when we're not using it. Here you'll see we have a cut feature, we have a wire stripping feature here. Here's the actual crimping part of the tool, and there's the back side of it. So you can see the razor blade here for the crimping, for the push throughs to cut off the spare wire. And then here you can see that we have the razor blade here with the screw so we can do the cutting and the stripping. What's also nice about this particular one is we have our RJ45 wiring diagram. We can see exactly what wires need to go where without having to go Google it, look it up or remember it off by heart. So I've got a damaged RJ45 cable here, so let's have a quick go at the cut feature. So we just put it through here, push down, cut with a nice flush clean cut there. If we now try our stripping feature, we can clamp it down, give it a spin and pull. Nice equal lengths without damaging the cable that's underneath. Superb. Job's a badger. Now since this cable's only got one end currently on it, let's grab a booty. Get that over the top where everything's all twisted up and nicely done already. Now let's test our little included plastic wire stripper. So let's get this on here. Give it a spin, nice pull, and that also works fantastically as well. So this kit comes with these push-through RJ45 connectors. So as you can see here, we actually have a hole in the end, so we can push our cables all the way through, check they're all in the right order before we crimp them. So let's give that a go now. This kit comes with 50 of these and 50 of the booties, so you get everything you need to make up to 25 cables if you're terminating both ends. So next I'm going to untwist these pairs, get them all nicely laid out and start working my way through the connector. Right, so that's all our wires in the right order. Let's cut them all to length so they stay nice and trim. And now we can place that into our RJ45 connector. Right, now got all our wires in the correct order, we can now put them straight into our crimp like so. And with one big squeeze, we should hopefully see all these ends get cut off quite nicely. There we go. A little bit of a fiddle to get the ends off. Put a little booty back on to protect our cable clip. And there we go. We now have a hopefully working RJ45. So let's get this onto our cable tester. And fingers crossed, we should now get continuity across the board. So as you can see, we've managed to create ourselves our very own custom length RJ45 cable from a broken cable using this kit. Well, I hope this video was useful. This video was not to teach you how to actually make an RJ45 cable, but to just demonstrate that this cable crimp and this cable tester do work quite nicely and will do the job for you just perfectly. Especially as it comes with 50 of those push-through RJ45 connectors and those little cable booties to protect your cable clips from snapping when pulling them through walls. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. Happy hacking. Catch you next time.